This is a small video to show you how to reset the service interval on a BMW twin cylinder motorcycle. These are the two things that you'll need. An ODB link adapter. This is a Link LX. And OBD link software and MotoScan software. So they're going to connect to the motorcycle. The first thing we need to do is locate the OBD port on the motorcycle, and that's on the off side behind the side panel. So you need a T25 Torx. And it's located just under this red terminal, battery terminal. You just pull it out, and it has a cap on it. You have to remove the cap. With the cap removed, we get the OBD link and connect that the right way around into the cap. And you'll see you'll get a power light. We then need to turn the motorcycle on so the display comes on. As you can see, mine's not showing the service light on because I've already reset it, but this is how you do it. So once the OBD link's in, go into your phone and then go into your OBD link software, and it says connect vehicle or down at bottom. So you connect that to the OBD link. As you can see, it's flashing as it's connecting. So it's connected now. So that's the Bluetooth data to your phone. And there in the settings you can update your firmware so you get the latest updates. But that's not what you want to do with your vehicle. So you go back to your screen, MotoScan. And in the MotoScan app, you go down and choose your bike, R series. This is an RS. So there we go. K54, R1200 RS, R1250 RS. In your instrument cluster, you'll see service reset. That's a current date. And then your service reminder. This is 10,000 kilometers. And a year from now, you click reset, or you put in, how many your mileage. So if you want it in 6,000 miles, click reset, and then it's reset OK. Basically you just close everything down and you're done. Put everything back together, take your OBD link out, and there'll be nothing on your screen. So you can turn everything off. That's as easy as it is.